Hey, what's up everybody? Thanks for tuning in. I hope you guys are all staying strong and safe and still positive. Things are slowly progressing as they should, and definitely things are going to be a whole lot different as we adapt our new way of living. And if you're all about that change and progression, you're at the right place, because I want all of you to grow strong and prosper. But moving along, if you've been working out for some time, trying to get lean muscle mass using the most advanced techniques ever, then stay right here. But be sure, if you're just starting off, you just got into this, be sure to check out my working out at home for beginners. That being said, working out with weights definitely has its advantages, but it's not the only way. These movements that we will be doing will be tearing deep into those muscle fibers, and once repaired, they'll be growing stronger and thicker, causing hypertrophy. That basically means longer holds and more reps. And this time under tension from the increased repetition and holds are going to cause damage to your internal muscle fibers, just like using up all those weights in the gym. And during this home workout, we're going to be engaging the entire body from the bottom up, even working some isolations on critical groups. We will be incorporating different techniques to maximize and increase the results from this routine. So I hope you are all warmed up. Starting with the lower body, we're going to be doing 16 pistol squats. We're going to be doing 8 on each side. It's just like a normal squat with one leg extended. Remember to regulate your breathing. Breathe in through your nose and out through your mouth. Let's transition into lateral squats. This is going to be going side to side, and we're going to be doing 16 total, 8 on each side as well. It's good to keep one leg as straight as possible and the other one at an angle. Remember to engage those glutes. So from there, let's drop down and hit this lower body. We're doing 16 side-to-side push-ups or typewriter push-ups. We're going to be alternating each side. It's good to start off with the hardest progression. Doing these will pump a lot of blood in your muscles the longer the muscle is contracted. good job. So from there, we're gonna be jumping into 8 pushbacks. Start off in the wide push-up position. And right about here, we'll explode our body back. Alright, good work. So that's pretty good, right? So from there, that's our lower and our upper body. So let's hit the core groups with elevated planks. We're going to be doing 10 on each side as well. Remember to really engage your core. Keep your body as straight as possible. Make sure to keep your body straight. Make sure you engage your core and breathe in the whole time. Good stuff. So from there, let's transition onto our backs for 10 windmills. These are best for the lower ab groups. Keep your body straight and make sure to engage your core. So from there, we're actually winding down this workout to really seal the deal. Let's finish off with 10 burpees. Same thing as last time, but this time we're jumping into it. Alright, that was round 1. So make sure to hit it up 2 more times, making it 3 in total. But there you have it, an intermediate, advanced level home workout you can do anytime or anywhere. So go ahead and replenish your body with quality protein and nutrition. Doing so will definitely help with the repairing process, and it's just as important. I want all of you to reach your goals, to live long. Let's overcome this together. If you found this video useful, please like it, comment below, subscribe if you haven't. Until next time, guys.